What's up guys, Salimify here with another video. Today we are making an unboxing video of Genesis T300 Thor TKL, which is a budget keyboard, we can say 75%. Links in the description. Actually, I'm just gonna tell the quick things I know about it. It has its own switches, and since it's a mechanical keyboard, and yeah, it has this green backlight only. I guess people want to see more RGB, but yeah, it's for the budget options. I guess one color is good too. And it has this weird, not weird, different animation types when you use the keyboard itself. And yeah, now we are opening the box itself. There is this key switch for cleaning the keyboard buttons, which is very good, and stickers. Obviously most of the brands are already giving extra. And yeah, this the user manual with different languages to understand what is written in there, and yeah, extra languages more. Okay, and then we are seeing this keyboard coverage protecting the keyboard from scratches and bumps, I guess. And there is this USB, I think USB A type A port. Yeah, that's the big one. And yeah, as I said before, this is 75%, so there is no numpad in this, only the page up, page button type of things inside. Or I think 60% we can say, but 60% is kind of shorter than this. This is a little bit bigger than them. Okay, and now we will make a test for the keys. Yeah, that's for the keys, and we see there's two different modes, which is the high and medium for the word, like let's say you're putting in the desk. And yeah, this is it guys. Thanks for watching the video. And yeah, this is the USB type A port, and hit the like and subscribe button, and hopefully see you guys later. Bye.